Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 218 Star Drop opening during day 5 of the Lunar Brawl event. Let's see what we have for the first Star Drop.
Super rare.
100 coins.
Rare.
2 rare. 100 XP doublers. And for the third Star Drop,
Super rare.
200 XP doublers. I think hardly anything has changed since yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And so they're keeping the Super Bowl offers in the shop for an extra day, which is today. So if you wanted them, you have to make sure to get them today. For the Lunar Brawl event, we have 888 free coins. And the only new offer is coins, which you can buy for gems. A daily freebie. Have 15 coins. Also known as a blank blue screen. And 5 credits. And I swear the lag has been getting worse. I don't know why. Yeah, it doesn't look like much else is going on. So, as of today, I have 10,958 XP doublers and 28,442 power points. Again, I'm interested to know if you guys will be getting the quarterback skin. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.